Today here at Reddick Brown Ford, it is delivery day. So we've got a truck full of two. We're going to be getting the one on the left. That is a space white FTX F-150 by Tuscany. It's a 2022. Nice little antimatter Super Snake Sport there. This truck is fully customized. Almost everything on this truck is touched. Tire and wheel package. We've got cladding on the side with FTX in it. Matching fender flares, matching tonneau cover, FTX badge on the rear. This has Fox shocks. It is lifted 6 inches to fit those meaty tires and wheels. Dual exhaust setup on this. Like always, we love them. They sound great. You can still make phone calls in them, and just adds a nice touch to the rear end of the trucks. Blacked out Ford badge there, you can see. This thing has power running boards as well, so you don't have to jump into the truck. I love the new wheel that they've gone with in the recent years. Now our driver Vern is going to back this truck off. He's been coming to us forever now. There's that exhaust I was telling you about. We're going to do a cold start on that shortly. I think you're going to like it. As he's unloading this truck, just take a look at that space white color. This is almost as good as Avalanche and all those other colors. I'd put it in the same category. There's that custom bumper that you saw a minute ago. Huge LED light bar in the front, custom painted grille, custom hood. This is a nice build. This thing looks amazing on and off the road. Those LED headlights are a perfect accent to the front of these trucks. I think we've got some of the best headlights in the game. Vern does not like to be on camera, let's be honest. I don't think any of us do. Let's take a look at the inside of this truck. I think everybody's really going to like this. XLTs have made a huge improvement over the years. Alright, here's that cold start. I think it sounds pretty good myself. It's not too loud. It's really nice for a luxury truck like this. Alright, now let's move on to the inside. Let's take a look at what this beast has to offer. Now keep in mind, this is an XLT. Here's those power running boards I also told you about. Amp Research, best in the business. We have a BNO sound system. So you already know this truck is going to sound awesome whenever you crank up the music. Leather all throughout in this truck. Steering wheel, seats are leather. Console is leather. It's just a simple black. It's nothing crazy. Hop in. There's the console shifter that will fold down whenever the truck is on. There's your badge. So this is number 410. These FTX trucks are limited edition. So we got number 410 here. Here is the second glove box. So there's the normal one that's always been there. And now we have a glove box on top. Pops open like that. You can close it just like that. It is very similar to the old Super Duty glove boxes. There's your standard rear sliding glass control there. Let's start it up. You got the built tough screen that pops up there. Steering wheel with all your controls, volume, cruise control, all that. Only 20 miles on this thing. So this is a half digital, half not digital cluster. So I'm going to show you this light bar up front. So that button right there, if you flip that, Tuscany installs that, you flip that and that'll turn on the light bar. Let's go take a look at it now. It is very bright. Now, this is off-road use only, so if you're off-road and you need to see, flip that light on and you'll be able to see for probably 2 miles. I'm kidding, but seriously, it's bright. Flip it off again. Here is the 12-inch screen. Then right above it, you'll see that we have the auto start stop deactivation. Not a lot of people like it, so taking it off. There's your camera that you can see the rear view camera whenever you want, whenever you're sitting still. So you've got options like audio, phone, you got your favorites you can add, apps, and then we got your features that show your Pro Power onboard and stuff like that. New with the 12-inch screen, you've got this like a third of the screen is shows some options that are shown down below, so you can check like off-road, what degree you are, your eco behavior, how your driving is. You can pull up the radio over there if you have Apple CarPlay running. That way you can see another option opposed to just seeing one thing if you're on like just audio or just phone. There's those screens again. And you can switch back and forth between both sides like I'm showing now. There's your trip. Everything is really, really nice and simple up there on that screen. There's your drive modes, like always. Pro Trailer Backup Assist. There's your dials for your dual climate. Now on the other side we got your 12 volt and then 120. There will also be a USB inside the console. Let's take a look at the back seat. Huge back seat. Now, this thing just showed up, so we haven't put any mats in or anything like that, so excuse that. Tons of legroom in the back, same leather like seen up front. FTX mats that'll go in the truck. Now if we take a look at the rear, here's our tonneau cover. So that little cover right there can be popped off. Put your key in, turn it, it unlocks. You get 2 of these keys with the truck, so you can put one on like an extra set of keys, keep it in the house, whatever you want to do. Open that. Tailgate will come down with just a press. You've got your carpeted bed liner. So that bed liner does come out if you need to wash it. You got it on top too, that part doesn't come out. Here's your Pro Power onboard. Flip that up, you got 2 plug-ins right there. Over here you've got your bed lighting, so turn that on and you'll be able to see inside your bed at night. It's really bright. Now we'll close this. You got a grab handle because the truck is lifted. Close that. Lock it up. And you're done. So this is the 2022 FTX F-150 by Tuscany in space white. 6-inch lift, off-road bumper, tire and wheel package. Beautiful accents on this truck. It's not overdone. It's simple. It's got a full factory warranty, 3-year 36, and a warranty on top of it. If you got any questions, give us a call, and we really appreciate you all viewing. We just hit 25,000 subscribers, so I appreciate every single one of you.